rain.
It's always about to rain.
Ex-boyfriend, old...
You're calling up old flames?
This is an outrage! This is an outrage!
Up and down.
To homecoming?
Harry's homecoming tomorrow.
Stay alert.
You know, no traffic rules, jaywalking goats.
Traffic jam. 10 blocks long.
Come on, another traffic jam.
Have a nice trip.
Have a nice trip.
Do I have a fever, though?
I don't have a fever.
I'm fine. I just have a toothache.
Terrible toothache.
Itchy.
Oh.
Itchy? Yeah.
I have a broken arm, I have 3 cracked ribs.
I have a broken arm and I can't remember.
Mama, I have a stomach ache.
I have a stomach